What is data literacy to you, Sandra?
Well, for me, data literacy is that anyone working understands a little bit about data. And it doesn't mean that you have to be a math wizard or have to be really good at statistics, but it's simple things like everyone should be able to read a graph and understand what it says.
What is it to you?
So for me, it's all about creating value with data. That's in that sense the end goal. And in order to create value with something, it's important to know what it is. And I fully agree with Sandra that it is not only for, let's say, the data scientists or the BI specialists that intensively work with data. It's also for the people around pretty much, because to recognize that something can be solved or improved by using data is very important that everybody in their process does that. So that's why the data literacy is something for everyone to increase.
Do you recognize that the reason behind the importance of data literacy? Or
exactly that, because business experts are experts at their own business, and if they have that knowledge about data, they can spot opportunities and really drive value for the company.
So is that for you, both of you, the main reason to have a data literacy program, to find initiatives in the business more actively and have people report that to the data experts? Or?
I think that's in the end where the value is. And on the other hand, you also need data literacy to make sure people don't misuse data or make sure you are compliant with all the regulations around this.
Yeah.
So there's the value side, but there's also the side that you don't want to make big mistakes with it.
Yeah. So I fully agree. So it's definitely the recognition of which, let's say, opportunities there are, or figuring out where there might be risks involved in that. But also, if you get a more data literate organization and you harmonize more the way of working, because you all kind of speak the same language as such, you also notice that you'll be just more effective and efficient in, if you have spotted an opportunity or you want to mitigate a risk, to actually create a, let's say, data product for that and solve those problems. So that's also a very important reason.
Create a little bit of a flywheel maybe, because
absolutely
people have the same language.
It's an accelerator.
Yeah.